How to change your Facebook ID or your Facebook name. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can change your Facebook ID's name or ID. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, you have to make sure to update the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, I'm going to simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. And let me just go ahead and show you my current name right over here. And let's say I want to change this particular name on Facebook. What I will do is I will simply come back and then tap on the three horizontal lines or the menu bar icon at the very top right. If you're on iOS or iPhone, this option could be at the very bottom of the screen. And you have to actually scroll down and select settings and privacy. As you select settings and privacy, select the option which says setting at the very top. Once you tap on settings, you'll be able to see all of these options. You simply have to go ahead and select the option which says personal information. Once you tap on personal information, right on top you'll be able to see the option which says name. So go ahead and tap on the name button. Now on this particular page, you could go ahead and simply enter the new name which you want to use. So go ahead and simply enter your first name, your middle name, which is really optional, but if you want to, you could go ahead and do that as well, and then your surname as well. Now you can also see the note. It says if you change the name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So you have to understand that if you change the name now, you will not be able to do it for the next 60 days, which is for the next 2 months. So once you're sure only that this is the name you want to change to, you have to go ahead and simply tap on the review change button which you see. As you tap on review change, you would simply need to enter the password in order to save your changes. So go ahead and enter your password and tap on the save changes button which you see. And this is how you can change your name on Facebook very easily. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.